Schoology tips and tricks. Tip number 26, messaging students. There are a couple of different ways that you can message your students when you are in your Schoology course. Under course options, you have the option here to send a message. When you do that, you by default are on all members. You can message just admin, or you can go into members and just choose the students in the class and not the admins. If you go all members, then that messages your admins as well. There's not a lot of bells and whistles. Honestly, there are really no bells and whistles in the messaging system in Schoology, but it is an easy way to message your class. You can put your title and your message here. You can attach a file or a link or a resource or even do an audio or video recording within the Schoology messaging system. So that is the first option. And that you could see, like when I do this, I don't have an option to choose just one member. If you want to message one member of a class, you can start up here with the envelope and go into the messaging system. But another way to do that is if you are in your grade book, you'll notice next to everyone's name, there is a little envelope here. So if I just want to message Darren, I click on that envelope and it's going to just Darren. I can add another member if I would like to. And then I have my subject and my message, just like in the other area. But this is specifically so that I can just message that one student. You can also, under your members area, under the drop down for a student, not for myself, you can send a message from here. And you can also message your grading groups members. So this is where I created my grading groups. I have my hardware techs. I can send a message that is just to that one specific group of students as well. So there's a couple different places. And again, you can go up to the regular message sender, new message, type their name, and go from there. So there are multiple ways that you can message your students. But for me, just knowing that you can message your whole class from here is pretty powerful because students don't always read updates. You can put something in the updates area that students may or may not see. Whereas a message, they do get a notification. They may get an email as well to know that they have a message from their